Welcome back to our channel. If you want making money online, this is a channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the result of this video, so you can begin earning money. If you haven't subscribed ultimately, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and romantic approach for producing money online. So let's get launched in this channel. We've met once more. I'm going to demonstrate you how to produce money online from the convenience of your home with this free website. Today in this video tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to make money just by clicking on ads. Now before we get launched, please do yourself an approval and click on the red subscribe button with notifications turned on, and I'll inform you whenever I have a fresh and different technique to make money online. You can view all of these payouts by completely signing up for free on this website, clicking on these advertisings and earning money each moment you click. But if you stick approximately until the conclusion of the video, I'll demonstrate you not only how to make additional money but also how to make even greatly additional money. I'll also demonstrate you how to manage this so you get paid when other people click, enabling you to make a lot more money without having to do any action. Okay, for most of all, I want to reveal you evidence that this works and is worth your eternity. So I'm going to click on payment proofs right here, which will take us to the next page, where you can detect people from all over the planet are giving rise to money with this website every solo minute of every single day. They are paid in a spectrum of methods, because you can select how you want to get paid using this website, and once you punch the low threshold, you can withdraw your money and spend it on whatever you choose. So you can see they're making money every minute on the right. You can even see the current time. You have all of these sheets with hundreds of users who have been giving rise to money with this website. This is over at btcshare.com, but don't go immediately to the website and try to conclude on your own, because you will destroy your eternity and much likely not make any money, because I will clarify to you how to operate this website step by step. In this video, I'll also demonstrate you how to enhance your results and make more money, as well as how to put this on entire autopilot for free, so you don't have to consume hours upon hours every day clicking on your computer or smartphones, but you can rather assign the work to others. Once again, right on the path, on the home page, you will be able to observe the extensively recent cash out and actually how much money people are making. As you can see, payments have been made within the last 12 hours, illustrating that despite its newness, some Yones are operating our service frequently. Although it has only been online for a little moment, it already has over 300,000 users, making it a generously area to make money online. Due to the enormous number of people who use it, it's also a brand fresh website, so you can launch earning money online right now. It's easy to make money with them once you sign up for an account. There will be some cash adverts waiting for you. You don't have to stay months or weeks to receive payment with this website. In fact, you can launch earning money right presently. Therefore, I forcefully advise you to visit btcshare.com and take a look around. You might look through it and discover actually how it works, if you want to learn additional about it. After that, you can just click on some of the free Join Us Now buttons to go to the registration sheet. On this page, you will require to create a unique username for your account, which can be anything you can think of, and then you will create a brand new password, which you will require to retype, and then you will enter your email address. Retype the same email address, then click I am not a robot and create account. You should get an email from BTC Share that glances like this with an activation link that you must click. As soon as you do that, to do so, open your email account and click this link right here to switch on your account. Go to your Google, Yahoo or whatever email account you use and click the activation link. Before doing anything else, you'll be eligible to log into your brand new account. As soon as you finalize that step, this is the dashboard. This is how it will glance like in the inside, and this is where you will be eligible to track your earnings. You may analyze your balance and see all of your options such as cash offers, games, creating your own campaigns, and of course, earning money by watching advertising. You can earn money just by clicking on those advertisements, but stay tuned to learn how to earn even more. Instantly, you can claim numerous bonuses right here on the home page. So I suggest you scroll a tiny bit through the dashboard and see all the characteristics that the website has to offer for you. Now to get started making money by clicking on those ads, you'll require to hover your mouse right here, where it says earn. You'll require to click on view ads right here to begin viewing those ads, and now you'll be eligible to see all of the ads on the website as well as all of the numerous payments that they have for you. So each moment you click on those ads, you'll be paid. For example, if I click on this ad, I'll be paid, and all I have to do is click on view paid ad and that's it, I'll be credited. Before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe switch and hit the notifications on to get informed whenever I post a fresh and sensational videos about earning new money making techniques and strategies online. Okay, certainly this isn't going to make you a bunch of money, which is why we require to concentrate on finding new techniques to use and leverage with this website, since as you can detect, it's only approximately 0 cents for one click, which isn't awful given you're just clicking and not doing anything difficult. I mean, all you have to do is click once and you'll be paid. It's that simple. Let's take a glance at how you may make even additional money now that you've clicked on all of those ads. You'll see the earn switch right here. If you scroll up a tiny bit and if you select this, click grid category right here, you'll be able to make even extra money. As you can see on the right hand side, you can see that people are getting paid much more each click, and you can also win $10 by selecting any of these boxes on the grid option. The strategy it works is that you simply click on some of these boxes and an ad will appear for you to view, and as soon as you do so, you will be charged with genuine money. Of course, you'll be paid a lot additional than the previous one, and as you can notice, you can check all of those boxes and you'll be compensated each moment, which is enormous because you're not doing any of the hard work and you do not need any previous knowledge. All you have to do is log on to the website. You go to the earn or button right here and you click grid or view ads, and you only click, and the more you click the more money you'll make instantly. As promised, I'll reveal you how to take advantage of this website and expand a system that will enable you to earn even extra money if you don't click on advertisings yourself. So how can you make even more cash without having to do all of the clicking yourself? So scroll up here and select your username or account on the right hand side and click on it, and it'll take you to the refer friends section. Absolutely, you will not be referring friends and family, but rather people who will benefit from this website, because if they click on those ads they will give rise to money, but you will be paid as well. And I'm going to reveal you a website that you can use for free that has nothing to do with Facebook or any distinct social media platform. They will facilitate you to attract genuine targeted visitors who will be prepared to use your website in order for you to earn passive and inactive money from it. Simply scroll down to find out that you will be paid a 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks, meaning you will be paid $3 if they earn $100 and $30 if they earn $1,000. Of course, they will not lose anything and will earn their $1,000, but you'll earn an extra $30 without doing any of the work or having to click on those ads or anything. So just think up referring 1,000 people to this website and they all start using it and clicking on those ads. They will instantly add up and you will earn an additional $30 referring someone to a 100 free service that simultaneously permits them to earn money. Is really simple, so it'll be a no-brainer for such people. I want you to get your referral link right presently. Therefore copy this link, which is your own personal referral link, and go to Trendy.com. Well, once again, Trendy.com is a make money online forum where people come to discuss a variety of topics relating to money making online, and many of them come here to learn more about fresh websites where they may give rise to money online, and thousands of people visit this forum every day. So if I go to the money making category right here, it will bring me to the page where I can browse through all of these numerous posts where people are discussing how to earn money online, and all I have to do is click on create a forum. Right here, get paid to click for free. I could add, and then in the description of my post, this website works internationally and will pay you only for clicking on advertisings. You can sign up here and I'll leave my referral link over here. Simple as that. Of course, if you only want to attract additional people, you may rewrite that in your own words and add extra material. You can fill in the exact similar thing and share it on Trendy.com by clicking on post a topic and sharing it. It's totally free and you stand a good opportunity of attracting a large number of people to your referral link. Since they're all attracted in money making online, they'll see that joining PTCshare.com is totally free. They will sign up, and if they begin to make money by clicking on those ads, you will begin to make some passive and inactive income, allowing you to make a lot more money without having to do the work yourself. Everyone you refer to this website will be grateful because they will be able to start earning money online by clicking on advertisements. You'll also begin generating positive income, enabling you to earn considerably more money without having to perform any action. Everyone will be delighted that you refer them to this website, and you will be happy because you will be receiving commissions, so it's a win-win situation. And that's it. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.